In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your trade copier inside the TraderWaves platform. The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your accounts that you want to copy from and the account that you want to copy to is added to your accounts inside the platform. So if you go to the Accounts tab and then go to Add Account, select the platform that you wish to add, and then you're going to enter your details for that account. Once you have successfully connected those accounts, you should now see those in the platform. So the next thing that you want to do is go to the Copier tab. The first thing that you're going to want to check is making sure that you have enough free accounts in your trade copier plan. So in this top right hand corner, you will see that I have 9 in my plan and I'm using 0. So I can go ahead now and create a connection. So if you click Create Connection and then select the account that you want to use for your master and select the account that you want to use for your slave. Once you have selected those accounts, we have a few settings that we want to go over and make sure are configured correctly. So the first are the risk settings. So here we currently have 2 types of risk that you can use, lot multiplier and fixed lots. I'm going to keep it on lot multiplier. The next settings that you can configure are the stop loss and take profit settings. Now here you can choose to copy the master's stop loss and copy the master's take profit. If you choose not to copy the stop loss or the take profit into your slave account, when the trade closes on your master account, those trades will also be closed in your slave account. Next is the advanced settings, and here you can do things like force a minimum lot size, force a maximum lot size, choose to reverse the trades, copy the expiry time. You can choose to copy the trade comments, choose to copy the magic number, and choose to copy pending orders. The next settings are trade filters. So here you can choose to copy either all trades or only buy trades or only sell trades. You also have the option to filter by lot size, magic number, comment, and by symbol. Now, once you're happy with your settings, then you can go ahead and click Confirm Setup. Once you've confirmed the setup, you will now see your master account in the table. Now, if you expand the master account, you will see all of the slave accounts that are connected to that master account. If you do need to go in and change any settings for the slave account, then go over to this pencil icon, click on it, and that will take you back to the settings page. Sometimes with different brokers and different platforms, trading symbols are not always automatically mapped. So if you want to make any custom changes to the symbol mapping, then go over to this button right here and click on it, and this will take you to the symbol mapping. So before I continue, I do want to make it clear that we are looking to improve this symbol mapping page, and by default, your symbols should be mapped already. So if you do have a symbol that isn't currently mapped, for example, this ADM symbol, then you can select to map it to the equivalent inside of your slave account. Now, once you have mapped the symbol, you will be able to see all of the custom mappings on the right-hand side of the screen. So next up, if you want to add more slave accounts to copy from your master account, then you can hit the Add Slave button, and in the slave account, you can now tick the additional slaves that you want to copy from the master account. If you want to temporarily disable copying to a slave account, but you don't want to remove it completely, then on the status button, you can toggle this off. We also have a network view. So if you click on the network view tab, here you will get a visual graphic of the slave accounts that are connected to your master accounts. And this just makes it easy to see which accounts are connected, how much risk you're using, and if you do want to make any changes to the account, simply hover over it and click on the edit button to take you into the settings menu. If you want to view the logs for your trading accounts, then that can be found on the Logs and Alerts tab. So here you'll be able to see all of the logs for the trading actions, both successful and unsuccessful. If you do have any issues with your trade copying, then make sure that you check the logs and see what the reason is for those trading actions failing. Each log will have an ID number, and this ID number will match the ID number from your slave account. And finally, if you want to remove the trade copier completely, then you can press on the delete button for the slave account and click delete. And if that master account no longer has any slave accounts that it's copying to, then that master account will be removed also.